What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy and you're watching the Glam Belle, and today I'm so excited for today's video because it's gonna be a fun one. We're testing out TikTok beauty hacks. I was one of the ones that got sucked into TikTok during this quarantine. It's like a rabbit trail. Once you get in there, it's like you don't know how to get out. TikTok is actually so much fun once you kind of get it to where you're seeing things that pertain to you and that you enjoy. I'm gonna leave my TikTok account linked in the description box if you guys wanna go follow me. I'm just warning you now, I'm kind of raw and real, and you see basically how I am most of the time in my life. If you like that kind of thing, come follow me on TikTok. It's a great time. But today we are testing out some beauty hacks. I want to put some of them to the test today. I think I've got like 10 of them that I want to test out today with you guys. I'm so excited. So if you're not subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button down there. Make sure to hit the bell so that you're notified when I upload videos here on YouTube. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on into this TikTok beauty hack video. The first beauty hack is to get rid of blackheads. So here is the TikTok video.
I have a trick for you guys. I'm someone who gets a lot of blackheads on my nose, and I'm going to show you how to get rid of them. Apply hot water to your nose to open your pores. All you need. That's it.
This looks like it is too good to be true. I definitely get a lot of blackheads around my nose area. So here I have my little toothpick. I have a rag. I'm gonna go ahead and go get some hot water on it and leave it on my nose for probably like 30 seconds to a minute. So I've had the hot water on my nose for about a minute now. I'm gonna take this and go ahead and try to get the blackheads off. Oh my gosh, can y'all see that? It actually works. Let me see if I can zoom it in so that you guys can see. There you go. I'm actually shocked that this really works. What an easy way to remove your blackheads. Are you kidding me? Okay, this is definitely a success. Now that I look like Rudolph, now it's time for another beauty hack, and this one is a foundation hack or a skin hack, I guess you could say.
Change your whole routine and try this instead. Moisturize first. Then after moisturizing, take some translucent powder. I usually use the Fit Me one, and I just lightly dab it all over my face. Not too much. Then take some setting spray. It could be any setting spray. I usually use the NYX one. After the setting spray, take a primer and just put your primer. Also, wait for the setting spray to dry first. Then just put on your foundation and just see what happens.
I'm going in with my Pixie Hydrating Milky Lotion Coconut and Shea Butter Hydrator. This is actually good for the face and body. So I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize first. Next, we're going to use some translucent powder, and this is the Hourglass Veiled Translucent Setting Powder. I'm using this because I know that I really like this powder, so I'm hoping that it will work. I've got some in the lid here. Just gonna use a little fluffy brush and just apply like a very thin layer of translucent powder. Next is setting spray. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe setting spray. And now that the setting spray is dry, I'm gonna go in with my foundation. And this is where I realized that I'm a complete idiot and totally forgot the primer, even though it was sitting right in front of me. But I think I might have found a better way to do this, because just watch the results. I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation. I'm using the Tarte Beauty Blendiful, and let's just start on this side. It feels very weird to have powder on underneath of your foundation, not gonna lie. What? I don't wanna jump the gun here. Let me go ahead and do the rest of my foundation before I give my final verdict on this hack. I feel like this actually looks really good. With me having drier skin, I thought that this was like gonna look really dry and kind of cakey on my skin, but it actually looks really good. This, I would say I'm kind of neutral on. I would definitely have to like do a wear test and see how it wears throughout the day and all of that, see if it breaks up quicker because there's powder underneath. But listen, initial thoughts, I definitely feel like my skin looks really, really nice. I went ahead and added a little bit of concealer since I don't have a hack for that. This next hack could screw it all up, or it might be magic, I don't know. Here is the next beauty hack. Alright, so for this hack, I needed to find kind of a brownish colored lipstick. The closest I could find that would probably work, I feel like you needed to use something a little bit more on the matte side, is my MAC Whirl lipstick. I feel like this was very similar to the color that she used. Now her skin is a darker tone than mine, so I don't know how this is gonna look on me. So the first place she places it is on like the outer corner of her eyes. This just feels like all sorts of wrong. Go in here and bam, and bam. We're just gonna go across the forehead. This is where it's gonna be real bad because I hate contouring my nose. She just kind of does some dotted lines. Okay, I think I did that pretty crooked. Her lips, right in the middle. I guess I'm gonna start with the cheeks and see if this will blend out. We're just gonna, okay, so this is actually blending way easier than I thought it would. What? I'm trying to figure out why this is such a good contour color. Is it just me, or did that totally work? If you're gonna try this hack, definitely try it with this color lipstick. This is Whirl from MAC, because it honestly gave such a beautiful natural contour to the face. Why did it blend so well? Like, how did this blend so nicely? I cannot believe I contoured my face with some lipstick. This hack worked. All right, I went ahead and added some brows, which I should have done before we ever started this video. Here is the next beauty hack, and this is actually one as a makeup artist that I really, really hope works, because this is the hardest thing to do, and that is to clean your eyeshadow palettes to make them look presentable.
I need our makeup wipes and any container that looks like this. Tightly cover the container with the makeup wipe, and literally all you do is swipe and it's clean. And now she's looking cute.
I have my Jaclyn Hill palette I like to use on a lot of my clients, and it is so dirty, and this is after trying a million times to get it as clean as I possibly can. Here is my makeup wipe. I'm gonna use the round part of powder. All right, here we go. I'm gonna try and hold this up so that you guys can see it. What? Are you kidding me? Let me move it, because obviously you don't want to use the same side. Can you guys see this? And I feel like if I had this sitting down and I could add even more pressure, that this would do even better. I mean, probably just broke it. All right, I'm gonna try to do this in front of me and see if I can get it even cleaner by adding like a little bit of pressure. This is pretty daggone genius. Here is what the makeup wipe looks like. This worked. Like, this is way, way more presentable than what it was before. This hack definitely worked. The next hack is one to be able to create a cut crease very, very easily. I don't have time to do the whole cut crease with the concealer and all that jazz, so I never do it. With this hack, you're supposed to easily be able to do a cut crease with your eyelash curler. So here is the beauty hack. I'm gonna go into my Scott Barnes palette, and I'm just gonna go into, I think I'll go into Risque. All right, I am gonna go in with the Morphe Jeffree Star, I think it's the JS9 brush, and I'm just gonna put my eyelash curler right where I want that cut crease, and then I'm just gonna put my brush right over top and blend. Here we go. Looks like it worked to me. If I can get this side even, it'll be even more exciting. Maybe not completely even, but y'all, that was the simplest cut crease ever. I'm gonna go ahead and try to finish up my eyes, and I'll be right back. So the next hack is all about the lashes. Basically, this hack gets rid of having to actually curl your lashes. So here is the TikTok beauty hack. I'm gonna go ahead and add a layer of mascara. I'm just gonna do one eye at a time so we can see if it actually works. This is the Bad Gal Bang mascara from Benefit, and when you go to put the blow dryer on it, you're supposed to use only cool heat. Here we go. Oh! That was really, really aggressive. I don't feel like they're as curled as what my lashes normally are. And then on the other eye, I'm actually gonna take my eyelash curler and do what I would normally do. Here's the eye with just the traditional mascara application, and then this is the one with the blow dryer. What do you guys think? I honestly think the one with the traditional application definitely looks a little more lifted and more lengthened. This just to me feels like it's still kind of not as lifted as I would like. Even though I do feel like it worked a little bit, definitely not worth blowing air in your eyeball, especially if you have contacts. This one for me was a fail. The next beauty hack is all about highlight. This is supposed to be a hack to really make your highlight pop. Here is the beauty hack. So I've applied a little bit of my moisturizer. I'm gonna take my CoverGirl True Blend Super Stunner Highlight. This is in the shade Pearl Crush. Scrape just a little bit of that. I don't feel like I'm gonna need much. Pour that right into there, and then I'm just gonna mix it. Oh, okay. To me, this actually took away the highlight effect. It almost looks like foundation now. Here's what the highlight normally looks like. And then here is it mixed with the moisturizer. I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna do a little bit on my face, but I don't have high hopes for this. Well, this reminds me of the MAC strobe creams. Like, this could be your own DIY MAC strobe cream, honestly. It's got that same consistency, and it's not like it gives you a crazy, crazy highlight, but it gives you just like a nice little glow. And just blend that in a little bit. I'm gonna eat my words because I actually feel like this looks really, really pretty on the skin. I'm kind of neutral about this because I thought that this was supposed to like make your highlight look really, really poppin', but this actually just gave me a beautiful lit within type of look to the skin. If you're wanting that MAC strobe cream type of glow to the skin, this is definitely a great hack if you want to save some money. Next hack is something that I am so excited for. It's something that I've never done before, and that is faux freckles. This one looks super, super simple, and it looked fantastic on the girl that did the video. So here is the beauty hack for faux freckles. I've got my little brush to use. I also have a contour cream. I'm gonna use this one right here. I really, really hope this works because I've always wanted to do faux freckles. Never really understood how to do them. So right now I'm just kind of dotting this. Let me zoom you in. My freckled finger. We're just gonna go for it. Oh my God, I'm scared. What if it messes up my makeup? Oh well. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Stop it. Oh, it works. Let me do it again so I can do the other side. That literally looks like real freckles. Oh, that looks a little heavy. Ooh, okay. Oh, the freckles on this side are looking a little more dark. I think I put too much. We're just gonna go with it. Maybe try to match it over here. Maybe I can take a clean finger and get some of that off. I am kind of in love. Okay, then she uses a little bit of translucent powder, so I'm gonna go in with the same powder that I've been using and just kind of pat right over that just so that the cream doesn't move. I feel like I could definitely do better if I practiced a little bit, but this worked. This looks so cute. All right, so my next beauty hack is all about the lips. This hack is supposed to make your lips look fuller. So here is the TikTok beauty hack video. She adds a little bit of concealer right to like the contour of her top lip. So I'm gonna go here and just blend that in a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with a little brush and go into cream contour again. I think she goes like around her lips. Oh, that looks crazy. And then right in the center, it looks like I'm drawing on a mustache. And then we're gonna go underneath. Mine is looking legit like I have a mustache. I'm gonna go in with my MAC lip pencil in Subculture. So I'm not really understanding what the purpose of this is, but she does it, so we're gonna do it. I think I see where she was going with this. I think this is supposed to like help push your lips out or something. This looks too much like I have a mustache, so I need to fix this. I would consider this one a fail. I'm definitely gonna stick to my regular lipstick application. My last hack is all about cleaning your brushes. Here is the final beauty hack.
You take this and you're gonna make sure it's clean, and then you're gonna use whatever soap you use to clean your brushes. I use Aussie shampoo. I'm gonna put some in there and then wet it a little and just swirl it around. Hold on. You're gonna want to rinse it and you come out with a perfectly clean brush.
So for this one, we're actually going to have to go into the bathroom so that we can test this theory out. I have my dish soap that I'm gonna use, and I actually need to clean this out. This is my little color switch that I like to use. I have my little color switch right here, and I just cleaned it out so it's perfectly clean. I'm gonna add a little bit of my dish soap, add a little bit of water, dirty brush, and we're just gonna swirl it around. Y'all, that worked like a charm. This one right here, get in there. Perfectly clean. That hack worked perfectly. I can't even get over it. And that was so easy. I am genuinely shocked that so many of these hacks worked. Like basically 8 out of the 10 hacks that I tried out worked amazing. Let me know what you thought of these hacks and if you've tried any of them. I think my favorite one out of all of them has got to be the freckles. Like, I just think they look so good. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to see another TikTok hack video, let me know in the comments. That is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I love you guys so much. Thank you for stopping by my channel today, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.